astral ring. It has more power than you can imagine, and Dormammu will do anything to get it. We need to hide it someplace where Dormammu can't find it. And for that, I need a powerful relic from the cabinet of Carabiers. This cabinet serves as a vault of the most powerful relics of all time. The one platoon, the axe that Angaroos have, at one point or another, been hidden within. If you had any idea what those things were, you'd be much more impressed right now. We need to alter the ring's molecular structure, transform it, so Dormammu can't recognize it. Bring me the locked box of transformation. This will allow me to manipulate the fabric of the ring's reality. By the power of the law, Hunk, Anulu, transform it. Flowers. It'll have to do. It won't be long before Dormammu realizes what we've done was merely adhere to this ancient sanctum. I must harness spectral energy and create a spectral shield to protect this campus, ourselves, and the astral ring. To create the spectral shield, we need the spectral staff. Where the staff is, I cannot say. I must call upon the guidance of the Soul Seeker. Perhaps she can help us locate the staff. Come on, all-seeing friend. I need your help. However, her motives are as mysterious as the dark dimension itself. Ooh. She senses great mystic wisdom amongst you. We don't have time for games, my friend. Oh, okay, one game. Come here. She wishes for you to identify the hero, then they lead us to the staff. Oh. She wishes to see you more closely. Yeah. All right, yeah, that's close enough. Come here. She seeks a name. Could it be an eternal? Oh, no, okay. How about a guardian of the galaxy? No, of course not. Maybe an Avenger. Ooh, yes, an Avenger, quickly. We must assist the Seeker in naming an Avenger. Everyone conjure the image of an Avenger in your mind. And when you have one, raise your hand, and the Seeker may come to you. Quickly, time is of the essence. Oh, my friend in the middle, who is it you're thinking of? Captain America, noble Avenger. Will Captain America lead us to the staff? A good guess. Not the hero we need. Who else has an Avenger in mind? My friend in the hat. Black Widow. Very cunning Avenger. Will the Black Widow lead us to the staff? Again, a good guess. Not the hero we need. Let's see. Who else has an Avenger in mind? Ah, my friend in the middle, with the sunglasses. Thor. Not the brightest Avenger, but okay. Will Thor lead us to the staff? Who? Yes! Thor! Oh, okay. Yes, there's indeed mystic potential among us. Fascinating. Thank you, my friend. You once again nobly fulfilled your purpose. Now, you go back to sleep. Hey, back to sleep. Oh, okay, all right, that's enough. Night. By the power of the Vishant, bring me the son of Odin.
That one more time.
No, Thor, we don't have time for that. Look, I brought you here because we need the spectral staff.
Cool. Where is it?
That's what I'm trying to ask you. Where is it? You were supposed to bring it.
Are you sure you called the right person?
Oh, I'm pretty sure the Seeker said to call Thor, so yeah. You left it in your other pants. Okay, great, awesome, you're here. You have your... Wait a minute.
Cool gold cop check.
No, you guys already know. Give me this.
You borrowed it.
Look, Thor, you've actually been a great help. Why don't you go celebrate? Over at Pim's. Anything you like, put it on my tab.
Okay.
Thank you, Thor.
No, thank you.
We don't encourage him, okay? All right, look. He didn't bring us a staff, but he did bring us the urn of Undu. Of course. He gets applause. He doesn't even bring us the item we need to find. Yes. No. I will join Oshtor's stone with the urn of Undor. That should work. By the shield of Seraphim. The spectral staff. Quickly, we must harness our energies. Like this. Either hand will do. I need everyone to focus. Good. Good. Yes. You're part of everyone. Thank you. Now, repeat this spell after me. By the power of the Vishanti.
By the power of the Vishanti.
We create the spectral shield.
We create the spectral shield.
Good. We're ready. Now put it together with me. By the power of the Vishanti, we create this spectral shield. Keep it going. By the power of the Vishanti, we create this spectral shield. By the power of the Vishanti, we create this spectral shield. Louder. By the power of the Vishanti, we create this spectral shield to protect this campus, ourselves, the astral realm. Well done! You have truly protected this ancient sanctum. The reality is safe because of your powers. Each of you possesses great potential for the mystic arts. Thank you. Carry on in your journey knowing you've helped the Avengers. More than they'll ever know. There's much work to do in so little time. And the all-seeing eye of Agamotto will guide you safely. Farewell. For now.